My latest conversation with ChatGPT. Since ChatGPT is constantly being updated and improved, I wanted the latest information directly from ChatGPT. The following is the conversation ChatGPT and I just had. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and get involved. I had noticed some chatter in the media about version 3.5, so my question was, what's new in version 3.5 of ChatGPT? The answer I received was, as an AI language model developed by OpenAI, I don't have specific versions. I am constantly updated by OpenAI to improve my performance and ability to generate human-like text based on the data I was trained on. I don't have information on any specific version 3.5 of ChatGPT, but if you have a more specific question, I'll do my best to help. That led to the next question: when was the latest update released, and what are the new features? The answer I received was simple. OpenAI regularly updates and improves their language models, including me, but they do not typically announce specific releases or version numbers for individual models. The latest update to the GPT series of models include improved performance, increased speed, and additional training on a wider variety of text, allowing me to generate more diverse and accurate responses to a wider range of questions. Some of the new features include better handling of long context inputs, improved handling of tasks that require a common sense understanding of the world, and improved consistency and coherence in my generated responses. If you have a specific question or issue, feel free to ask and I'll do my best. Since there's been an update, I wanted to know, are you still limited in knowledge to 2021? And the reply was yes, my training data only goes up until 2021. So my knowledge and understanding of events, information, and technology is limited to that time frame. However, I have been trained on a diverse range of text and can still provide valuable insights and information on a wide range of topics, even if some of the details may be out of date. I next asked, are there any plans to increase your knowledge with current information so you can give fluent answers containing the latest information on topics asked about? The response: OpenAI is constantly working to improve its language models, including me, to increase the accuracy, fluency, and diversity of our generated text. This includes fine-tuning and retaining the models of new and diverse data sources to keep them up to date with the latest information. However, the exact timeline and specifics of when a language model like me will be updated with the most recent information is not publicly available. So that's the latest scoop from ChatGPT on the latest improvements. In my humble opinion, a conversation with ChatGPT is sometimes more rewarding and informative than a conversation with a real person. It is important to remember that ChatGPT is not a real person, but AI cleverly trained to respond in a conversational manner. I personally consider this advance in technology to be as important as automation was in the spark that ignited the Industrial Revolution. This is a huge leap forward in technology, one that will be talked about for many years into the future. The tech genie has been let out of the bottle. There will be no way to put it back. I'm excited and wish I had another 80 plus years to see where this leads. Stay safe, stay secure, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.